Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, you'll explore the list block to create list type links in Gutenberg editor. Let's go. First, you can start by dropping the container block inside the page, then choose a single column layout and customize the padding of the content area. Also, let's add a background color to the container before we move forward. Now, let's click inside the blank container, type list in the search box, and select the list block to insert it. And what you see is the default appearance of the list feature. On your right, under the Basic General section, you can change the preset style of the list. As you can see, each preset presents content in a different visual style. Next, from the Layout section, you can switch between Grid and Flex layout. For Flex, you can change the alignment and gaps. For the Grid, you may choose the number of columns for the list. The other options are the same. Lastly, the Add List section is where you can add and customize items. Here, you can click on each item to reveal the options, a title field, and a link field. Also, you can choose the link to open in a new tab once clicked. Like that, go ahead and customize the rest of the items. Once you are done, let's move to the Style tab. In the Style tab, you can customize the appearance of the list. In the first section, you can customize the background color of the items, add a border around them, and adjust border radius and padding. There's another section that lets you customize the title color and font style with the typography option. The color option is also available in the Hover tab. This enables you to add hover effects to the list of items. And with typography, you can customize a range of options to style the fonts. Go ahead and explore that yourself. Now, the customization parts are done. We can go back to the list view, select the container, and set flex direction to rows. Now just duplicate the list block to add more content sideways. With some customizations, you can create menu items, a footer menu, simple link type navigation, etc. in your Gutenberg editor. We also have some ready patterns to show you what you can do with this block feature. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video, and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!